Hello again. I guess I'm going to make a part 2 because I never went in the shed over there. I'm scared. I don't know if I should do it. And I never explored over there either, so yeah, I guess the part 2 will work, and I never went over there. I have never ever been over there. My dogs have, but I have never. So yeah. I guess you can see through those curtain things, and it's kind of weird because you can't see through it when you're like, I don't know. So yeah. So I guess there's just a gate there and some wall. Don't know. That's all. And I haven't been over there for how long? Okay then. And then we have these little weeds. Okay, so I'm really scared going in that shed because I've never been in it. And my sister was teasing me that there might be a crazy raccoon in there. Ew! He just peed on it. Did you hear that? It was a cricket. Did you hear it? Was I the only one that heard it? Did you hear it? Ooh. Huh. That's not good. Hey! Hey, buddy. Ew, there's a lot of poo. I'm not opening that. Okay. It looks like it's already opened a little. Oh yeah, he's fine. What? Can you see that? That's as far as I can get it. Oh, it smells like paint in there. Oh, look what it did to my camera. Oh, there we go. Like, what? I forgot to close it. I'm such a dum-dum. Even there's poop over there. I don't want to close it. I'm scared. Mommy, help. Oh, never going in that again. Hello, Maggie. That's what I heard her name was. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna go over here for now. Yes. There isn't any more LPS with me. Cause you know why? Let me back up a little. They're all up there. In that room. That's my owner's room. So, yeah. Love this company, though. I don't get paid. But whatever, it's fine. Wait. Spent her money on me. Wait, no, she actually got me for trade. Whatever. But still, the other one spent money on me. So, burn. So, I just like really sing in this chair. Just rocking. Seeing good view, isn't it? Good view. Oh, it's a person's house. Oh, I did not know that. No, I do not stalk people. I guess I have enough time to do some more random stuff. So, yeah. Oh. So, over here, as you can see, we have Maggie-ster. I'm just joking, her name's Maggie. And we have Bubby-ster, which is actually, well, his nickname's Bubby, but his real name's Kane. I think I made that up a long time ago. And then my mom started calling him that, and I guess, yeah, it catched on, so we don't really use his real name. Like, for me, my nickname, my real name's Alexandria. And, well, my owner's name, not me, I'm Mark. Yeah, her name's Alexandria, but her, like, nickname's Lexi and all. So, yeah, oh no, doggy woof woof. Doggy woof woof, they see something. Whatever. Oh, Jade, you just have to ruin it. So, I guess that's it for my video. I guess I'm just gonna walk around after this, cause I'm like super bored. So, yeah, bye. Turn off.